Okay, good morning to telemedium students. Sorry, good morning to first year students. Now, today class, let us discuss about the Schrodinger wave equation and significance of wave function and significance of psi square. First of all, what is Schrodinger wave equation? What is Schrodinger wave equation? Electrons behave both as a particle and as a wave. That means electrons exhibit dual behavior. It behave particle as well as a wave. That means if the electron behave as a wave, there must be wave equation to describe the behavior of electron. Schrodinger gave a wave equation to describe the wave behavior of electron in atoms and molecules called Schrodinger wave equation. Schrodinger wave equation means it describes the wave behavior of electron in atoms and molecules. Such equation is called Schrodinger wave equation. Schrodinger wave equation, according to Schrodinger wave equation, for an electron wave propagating in three dimensions in space, it is written as dou square psi by dou s square plus dou square psi by dou y square plus dou square psi by dou z square plus 8 pi square m by h square into e minus v psi is equal to 0. That means dou square psi by dou x square plus dou square psi by dou y square plus dou square psi by dou z square plus dou square psi by dou z square plus 8 pi square m by h square into e minus v into psi is equal to 0. In this equation, m represents the mass of electron. M represents the mass of electron. H means Planck's constant. That value is 6.626 into 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joules to second. E means total energy of an electron. Capital E means total energy of an electron. And V represents the potential energy of an electron. Potential energy of the electron. And psi represents the wave function. Psi represents the wave function. And x, y, z are the three space coordinates around the three space coordinates around the three space coordinates around the nucleus. So that means three space coordinates of an electron. Three space coordinates of an electron. Now let us discuss about the what are the significance of psi and psi square. That means in this diagram, it represents the electronic wave. It represents the electronic wave. So the Schrodinger wave equation, it is a second order differential equation. It is a second order differential equation. It has countless solutions. Many of them having no significance. That means it has infinite number of solutions, but many of them no significance. But the wave function psi, psi represents wave function psi in Schrodinger wave equation has no physical significance, but except then it represents the amplitude of the electron wave. That means psi represents the amplitude of the electron wave. Amplitude of the electron wave. The acceptable values of total energy E of wave particle given by a solution is called eigenvalue. That means total energy E of a wave particle given by a solution, the solution is called eigenvalue, and the corresponding wave function psi, which gives the eigenvalue of the energy, is called eigenfunction. That means psi is also called eigenfunction. The suitable solution of energy E, that is called eigenvalue, which psi gives the eigenvalue of the energy, that is called eigenfunction. That means wave function psi represents the amplitude of the electron wave. and the square of the wave function, that is represented by psi square. Psi square gives the probability of an electron, of a given energy capital E from place to place in a given region around the nucleus. That means psi square gives the probability of finding an electron around the three-dimensional space of the nucleus. That is indicates the atomic orbital. Psi square indicates the atomic orbital. Psi square is a square of the wave function. It gives the probability of finding an electron around the three-dimensional space of the nucleus. That is called psi square. It indicates the atomic orbital. That means atomic orbital means an atomic orbital thus represents a definite region in three-dimensional space around the nucleus where there is a high probability of finding an electron of a specific energy E. That means psi square means atomic orbital means the probability of finding of an electron around the nucleus is maximum. That is called atomic orbital. Schrodinger, an acceptable solution of Schrodinger wave equation, that is an eigenfunction. Eigenfunction must satisfy the following conditions. That means the wave function should be finite. The wave function should be finite, and the wave function should be single valued. That is it should not have more than one value of at a point in space. That means it should be single valued. The wave function should be finite, and the wave function should be continuous. That is the function if plotted in space should not show a break. That means it should be always continuous, it should be always single valued, the function should be finite. Wave function psi may be positive, may be negative, and sometimes zero, but square of the wave function, that is psi square, must always should be positive value. This is the significance of Schrodinger wave equation. Okay, thank you.